So today we're gonna be fixing up the old Chevy. We're gonna be rebuilding the front end, everything, control arms, tire rods, CV axles, bearings. But other than that, it should be just kind of a instructional video, I guess, of me fixing this thing up and getting it back to the way we like it, low and wide, I guess. It's pretty basic looking right now, stock truck, there ain't nothing going on with it, but looks real good and here in a few for sure. There's all the upgraded things. I went ahead and went with factory AC Delco bearings. You can knock the Duralast stuff all day. I get it way cheaper doing it that way. And then the kryptonite stuff we ordered and took 10 weeks to get, but we got it. Keep in mind, this is just the daily truck. I don't need to go all crazy with it or anything like that. It is going to have a whole new front end on it, refresh, and maybe we can take it to shows as well. It's nothing special, just leveled on wide wheels pretty much. Still a decently clean truck, but she's getting old. She's 14. She's got some rust on her, but nothing too crazy. She gets the job done still, so that's all that matters to me. And we're gonna pick it up when I guess we'll start ripping this thing apart. So I will see you in a bit. I've replaced the upper ball joints before. Got some rough country leveling struts on there, and then gonna be replacing all this. Should be nice and shiny under here after we're all done. So it's a little before, I guess, and then see what it comes down to afterwards. Here's a good look before and after. Before, obviously, got the JTXs. All taken off. I'm probably just going to time lapse the rest. You can see me ripping it apart basically and get it all set and done, ready to go, and then we'll pick it up once I get a side done or if we have an issue or something like that. She should look nice and new after we're all said and done, so we'll pick it up once we get her done. control arm fits, lines up right, everything like that. We're going to start ripping the whole front end apart, the lower control arms, bearings, CV axles, and tie rods. Not changing the struts, because struts aren't very old. And then basically have a whole new front end on this damn truck. Get it all ready to go, and hopefully it rides a lot better than what it was. All new adjusters, of course. So I haven't greased it or anything like that, but I had 2 guide pins fall out. I'm going to show you guys a trick, because if you put them back in, they're just going to fall back out, just being honest. I'm going to show you a trick on what I use. Instead of using new guide pins, they're going to do the exact same thing over time. They may stay in there for a little bit, but they're going to fall off again, I guarantee it. So find you a little bolt about the same size, and you'll slide it in just like you do the guide pin, and then you can put a little nut on the back side of it so it stays in there, and you can tighten it up, and when you align it or whatever, you just loosen it, and they won't fall out. They'll stay in there. They may not match, but they'll stay in. You got them in there? Act just like you got it. So using the guide pin, that always falls out after a couple good adjustments on it. You just use your little bolt. Got everything put on. Brand new CV axle, tie rods, bearings, upper control arms, lower control arms. I'll attach that sway bar link once I get the other side loose and put them on together at the same time, so I'm not fighting each other. I left the adjusters loose so I can do the alignment pretty easy, ready to go. I ain't gotta worry about losing, tightening them up and everything, but should be all set. I'm gonna tackle the other side and should be done here shortly. put on, good to go. Do everything. Just time to put the wheels on. Freshly polished, ready to go. Time to load them and slap them on the old rig. Got the wheels all ready. Got everything all nice and greased in there. Wheels. Now time to do the alignment. All done. Got the before. Yeah. On. Made it back after work. Long day. Got the whole front end on her. Still have a little more planned for it. But as far as like the headache part of things and